Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening your browser and going to GitHub's main site, then use the search bar to locate owner/repository. Once done, sign in if you need private access, otherwise proceed as a guest. Make sure you can see the repository landing page with code, issues, and pull requests tabs. This first step gets you to the central view so you can inspect files, branches, and recent commits without delay, so open the repo and focus on the Code tab next. Now you're inside the Code tab. Click Folders to expand the file tree and open README. MD to get project context. Once you see branches, use the branch selector dropdown to switch contexts. Select main, master, or feature branches to view different versions. You can open any file and click raw to see raw text, or blame to inspect who changed each line and why. Make sure to use the file search box to jump to specific files quickly. Finish by checking for live previews. If the project uses GitHub pages or deploy previews, click the provided link to view the site in your browser. For code changes, open pull requests to read diffs and comments, and use the review tools to approve or request changes. If you can't find expected files, make sure you looked in other branches or tags, and as a fallback clone, the repo locally to inspect hidden files. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.